Nice animation. Windows XP. Windows is starting up. This module or gadget is awesome. And why? Because inside this gadget there is a lot of sensors and buttons. Also it have a TFT screen of 1.1 inch TFT screen. Also it have behind a magnet. It have 3 buttons. Also it have a buzzer. It have a microphone. It have a infrared LED, so you can control or receive infrared signals, built-in battery, everything. So that's why this thing cost around $40 from Aliexpress, and in today's video I will show you what else you can do using this thing. What is that? Oh, it's some kind of hacking tool. Okay, let's start. So what we have here, by visiting the M5Stick website, you can download their software called M5 Burner, and on this software there are a lot of free shared code projects that you can install right away. You don't need Arduino IDE software, you need only this M5 Burner. Connect your M5Stick gadget or module. In my case I have this M5Stick C+2 through the USB cable, and if you find a code that you like it, for example, I'm gonna choose which one to choose, and yes, here it is, a Bruce firmware for Stick plus 2. You need only to hit a burn, connect your module with the personal computer, and take a look. We have the port number 10. Hit start and it's burning. We're gonna wait couple of, oh, it's going fast, for a couple of seconds maybe. What it says, burn successfully. Click here to return. And I need to tell you that's why some of you like this module, because you don't need to install any kind of libraries. Already is in this bin file, which is free shared on their M5 Burner software. And take a look, booting Bruce firmware. This is one awesome code, hacking code, so you can play with. And what we have here, using 2 buttons on the sides and one at the front, we can control the interface. We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, RF, and RF24, LoRa. What was that? FM. If you have a FM module, you can add it to this thing and to be like a radio. Infrared. Let's do that. TV be gone. Region NA, region EU. Okay. And right now it's running and it's sending some kind of infrared signals, so you can turn on and turn off your TV. Next we have the internet, the GPS. If you have a GPS module, you can attach it and get your location coordinates, files, clock, configuration. You can change the display, the brightness, the dim time, the hue color. Let's go with yellow, green. Take a look, I changed to green and that now is much better. Let's go to main menu. Okay, back. Let's go to Wi-Fi. Connect to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi attacks, evil portal, listen, everything. And what it says, that these Bruce or Nemo softwares are just for pranks or for fun. Please do not use on other networks. Maybe you will have problems. For sure you will have problems. Here it is, the cat hack, the launcher. We have the launcher for the M5Stick, slot, Bruce. Let's try this one. No, I'm gonna try the Dino game. So you need only to connect your M5Stick, press burn, continue, choose the port, start, waiting. Dino game installed, and I can jump with, also it have a score. Come on buddy, run. Ah, this is beautiful. It's the same as on the phones when you don't have internet. Beautiful. Take a look what I found. Slot machine for M5Stick C+2. And remember, this is just a game. And here it is. Spinning. And yes, you can remove the cable because this thing have a built-in lithium battery, 200 milliamperes. And we can play the slot machine. What it says? ESP32, cherry, lime. Ah, beautiful. And this thing is awesome because it's portable and it have built-in battery with a bunch of sensors. So as I told you, on the M5 burner software you can find a lot of free codes, hundreds of them, and take a look what it says. Fake Windows XP. I need to try this one. Hitting start, flashing. While waiting the code to be uploaded to the M5Stick, let me share my Ko-fi page where you can support my work and support my channel with a coffee, with a donation, sending me a coffee. And maybe I'm boring, but this is the way where I can say thank you to all of you who already sent me some donations and some coffees. Thank you very much. The link will be in description below so you can check it. Take a look guys, I finally did it to put the code inside this thing about the fake Windows XP. And take a look, it's nice animation. Windows XP, Windows is starting up. And did you hear that? There is some kind of music tone for starting the Windows, and it's looking good. Of course it's a fake one, but it's nice. I love it. Oh. Probably you're gonna hear it right now. Love it. Let's go with the next one. The most popular cat in the world, Neon Cat. Ah, take a look. How cool animation is that? Neon Cat on my M5Stick with rainbow. Beautiful. Do you know what is Neon Cat? Just to share, on this sticker that is behind the M5Stick, everything is described. Take a look. Button on G39, second button G37. We have a buzzer on G2, infrared 19, pin number 19, LED also 19. We have also battery 200 milliamperes, 6-axis sensor. What is it? Is this real-time clock? Sleep, wake, G35. Awesome. You can install a Tetris on this thing, but to playing the Tetris you need to attach the, in the description it says that for playing the Tetris you need a stick C+2. Yes, that is a joypad, a joystick for playing the Tetris. When you press it, if I shake it, oh, I can move it with the buttons. Take a look, left and right. But how to rotate? Maybe this way? Oh no, I'm sending it all down. Alright. Okay. Done. And take a look at this software that some guy made it and shared it for free on the M5 burner software. And take a look. You can control the brightness with one button. With the second button you can go to the clock and set the real-time clock with the real-time clock module that is inside this gadget. And what it says, it have a stopwatch, and it's working, the stopwatch. Take a look. With the front button you can control it and reset it. If I hold it, start again. And this is nice graphics. Also take a look at that round seconds. Beautiful. Okay, and it going to sleep in every 3 seconds, I think. Yes. Okay, that was all for today's video about this beautiful gadget with ESP32 inside. Call it M5Stick C+2. So if you like it, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!